Agatha Wong, one of our recipients of the recognition for SEA Games gold medal. How are you feeling right now na nakuha niyo ang award muli from the Philippine Sports Writers Association?
I feel really blessed and I'm really honored to receive this award. I continue to try my best, so yeah.
Okay. What are you busy right now? Anong pinagkakabalaan nyo? Of course, priority pa rin ng med studies. Pero most likely, of course, wushu. Marami kayong mga pinagkakabalaan sa inyo. Anong latest?
We're just training kasi yung competition namin is on the second half of the year. So may notice ko. And then I'm still studying med. So wala namang nagbago dun.
And what are your goals for 2024 para sa iyo? And of course, what are you looking forward to?
Pumasa ng pag-aaral. Kasi ang hirap talaga ng med, guys. Pero also to do well sa sports and go beyond my expectations for last year.
And lastly, your message na naman po. And of course, pasasalamat sa PSA and of course sa mga taga-suporta niyo sa wushu.
Thank you so much for supporting Team Agatha Wong. And I love you guys. Thank you. Please continue to support me and my teammates as we compete this year for 2024.
Alright, thank you so much, Ms. Agatha. And we look forward na magkita tayo sa training, ha. Alright, thank you so much.